Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add boarding pass to Google Wallet. Now it's a straightforward process. Now, after checking in for your flight via the airline's app or website, you receive your boarding pass. Now, this might be available within the app, or it could be sent to your email, or it could be accessible through a mobile web page. If your airline supports a Google Wallet integration, you will see an Add to Google Wallet button in the confirmation page. Once you see it, tap on it to proceed. Upon tapping the Add to Google Wallet button in your airline's website, follow the on-screen instructions. If prompted, confirm by tapping Add, and your boarding pass will now be saved in your Google Wallet. If there is no direct Add to Google Wallet option, you can still add your boarding pass manually. All you need to do is to take a clear screenshot of your boarding pass, ensuring the barcode or QR code is visible. Then open the Google Wallet app, which you have here. Tap the plus icon labeled Add to Wallet. It's going to take you here. So select everything else. And once you select everything else, so what you're going to do is to tap the photo icon. Tap this photo icon here. You can do manual or you can do auto capture. So just go ahead and tap this photo icon. I don't want to give you access to my gallery, but tap this photo icon. You can use here to take a picture of it, or tap this photo icon. And once you tap this photo icon, choose the screenshot that you chose of the boarding pass. And once you choose it, that's it. Follow the prompt to crop and label the pass appropriately. I can go ahead and click on transport pass. This one is to get around town with your phone, so not boarding pass, but this one is just really going to be better. That's everything else. This is more appropriate. So once you follow the prompts to crop and label the pass prompt appropriately, that'll be it. This method allows you to store the boarding pass in your wallet, though it might not update automatically with flight changes. So verify the boarding pass in the Google Wallet. Open your Google Wallet app to ensure your boarding pass has been added successfully. On this homepage, you should see it listed among your passes ready for use at the airport. Now, ensure your device has the latest version of the Google Wallet app for optimal functionality. Some airlines might not support direct integration with Google Wallet. In such cases, the manual screenshot method is a handy alternative. Always double check the boarding pass details in your wallet to ensure accuracy before heading to the airport. So go over this tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.